Okay. So I ordered a few things. I'm not sure exactly which thing this is, but let's find out. Got a little rip here, and otherwise it looks alright. Nothing fancy, but works. Oh, wait. Is this even sealed? Yeah, it's glued here. Might as well just put it back in. Probably opening this horribly inefficiently, but whatever. Mops just in the background there. As you can tell, I'm not exactly a pro at this. Oh, it looks like it's my Zippo stuff. I believe it should be 2 lighters, a Zippo lighter stand, and Zippo fluid. Well, it might be 3 lighters actually. Well, definitely not shaking around too much. Yeah, so 3 lighters. Good quality, obviously, but like just the affordable. No, just the usual warnings. Looks good. Okay.
Cool.
That way she's got a reliable lighter if she ever needs. And this one, that's one of the most affordable ones. That's why I grabbed it. Nice mushroom designs. Looks good. So this one was and this one, that's really pretty, honestly. They all 3 look really good. They got their wicks and their flints. So that's good. And Zippos are warranted for life. I just noticed I put these on backwards. Okay, so that's awesome. This one is the gift, so I'm gonna put that one in my pocket. Here's the Zippo lighter fluid. I'm not sure if it's how it's special or different than regular lighter fluid, but came free on the Black Friday sale. How tiny that is. And it's all in bubble wrap. This is the other thing that came free on the Black Friday sale. It's cute.
What's that? A stand?
It's just a stand. Yeah.
Oh.
That's it. It's just a stand. That's cute.
Yeah.
This and the lighter fluid came free, so that was just a bonus. And it looks like that's it. Packaging was pretty good, like inside the stuffing was pretty good. I could hear it shaking a little bit when I was carrying it, but overall it was pretty good. And the packaging sure wasn't going to open without a fight. So, yeah, everything looks good. I'm happy with it.
Okay.
All right.
Pepper
Thank you for helping me recording. Yeah.